So getting anything framed these days is actually quite cost prohibitive. It's very expensive. Here at Backing to the Future, we offer shrink wrap framing. It's taking a thick piece of cardboard, putting a masking tape border around it, and then affixing the poster to the cardboard and shrink wrapping or wrapping it with a nice heavy plastic. It's not only cost effective, it's very portable, it's very durable, and as far as we know, there is no one who does this anymore. It is great for people who collect, and especially people who collect lots of pieces, because we know that framing would be very, very costly. I've had pieces in my collection shrink wrapped now for a good 15 years. It stands the test of time. It's a fraction of the cost of glass framing, but we do small pieces from an insert, a half sheet, right up to a 3 sheet and a French 1 panel, the very, very large pieces.